Hey guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to install a Nanotech shower screen for the E61 group head on our Rocket Espresso machine. The Caffewerks silicone gasket, and we're also going to swap out our basket for the IMS Nanotech dosing basket. We've had the machine now for about 6 months and are looking for ways just to kind of, slowly upgrade. And after watching a few videos, particularly over on Whole Latte Love, we decided to go with, swapping out our shower screen. This has a special Nanotech coating on it. It's going to prevent coffee and oils from building up on your shower screen. And it also helps distribute the water equally across the bed of coffee. And then I guess the same with the basket. The Nanotech coating is a more efficient coating, and the holes here just allow for a better extraction. Silicone gasket replaces the rubber gasket. It's a little more pliable, a little more forgiving, less prone to cracking, and you'll get a better seal with your portafilter. So I'm going to pause this, switch around, and we will take off the shower screen. Haven't done this before. Okay, so this is after removing the portafilter, taking a look up at the stock shower screen and stock gasket. We're going to use a little flathead screwdriver to wedge up and try to pry off the shower screen. And this one looks like it's just going to come right off. And of course the machine's been off as to not burn our fingers. Okay, we'll give that a wipe. So here's the old screen. Here's our new screen with the Nanotech coating. And then if you look at these gaskets by Caffewerks, there's a rounded side that has print on it, and then on the other side this is flat. The flat side is actually going to face down towards the portafilter. So we'll just push our screen through, and it's, I believe, as simple as just pushing it back up. Okay, there we go. We'll get the portafilter. Put our new basket in. And right at 6 o'clock is where they say you should lock that one in. So here we are. Not too bad. It certainly feels different. It actually feels much more snug than with the stock basket there. So earlier, when the machine was on, I recorded a quick clip of the water flowing through the screen, and then when I do turn this machine on next, I'll be sure to record another video to see if there's any difference in the water pattern coming through the shower screen. With the Nanotech screen and the precision holes, the idea is that you get a more even distribution of water through the screen, which in turn allows for a more even extraction of your espresso. I was cleaning the tray, so that's why part of it's missing. All right, Okay, so I just turned the machine on real quick. It's not heated up yet, but just so we could see if there's going to be a difference in the water distribution through the shower screen. So let's see. Oh yeah. So yeah, certainly compared to the other video with the stock shower screen, you could see that the water distribution is even across the whole screen. So we'll have to see how that translates in our espresso making. Okay guys, that's basically it. As you can see, it was pretty easy to swap out the shower screen. And just based on how the water was coming through the screen, I think it will really make a difference. And it'll probably just be cleaner overall too. When we, you still got to back flush your machine, and we're going to make a video on that, and how we clean our machine weekly as well. But in between cleanings, just a rag, underneath the group head, just to kind of keep your screen clean. I think the Nanotech coating will help us ensure that everything is nice and clean. And then one other thing I didn't mention was the Nanotech Barista Pro basket. So when looking at this compared to the stock basket, you can see the stock basket has ridges, and the basket's actually shaped on an angle. The Barista Pro basket has no ridges inside, and it's just a straight shot down. And this is to help improve extraction as well. So a couple little upgrades, pretty easy to do, not very expensive at all. So if you like the video, like and subscribe. We're gonna have more videos as we learn and grow with our Rocket. And then we'll be posting videos on cleaning, maintenance, dialing in new beans. We have plenty of coffee roasters that are local in our area, so we have plenty of options. But with each new bag of beans, there's a dialing in process. So lately we've just been using one roast, which kind of eliminates waste in the whole dialing in process, but I think it's kind of fun to try new beans. So be on the lookout for some new videos coming up soon. We have a tripod now, so hopefully the video audio quality and lighting is a little better than in our previous video. All right, happy holidays.